The guys over at the Diecast Misfits are sponsoring a build for charity, and they've invited the community to join them and donate to this auction. And hopefully a lot of you will join in the Whatnot auction and bid high and often. All the proceeds go to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, as you see there. And I'll put links to Paco's Diecast Garage, who's hosting the event, in the description for this video. Now, I've had some things that are consuming my time here, so I wasn't able to do builds for the auction, but instead I sent a couple of customs that I had already done. The first one being the sand crab that was kind of beat up, but I customized it. Let's say I resto-modded it into this for last year's Canada Day event that Maple Leaf hosts. And I was really happy with how this one turned out. So this one will be up for auction in that charity auction. And I also sent another casting, which I had done for a 4 horseman build. And you'll see it here in a second. I'm really happy with the sand crab. There is a video of that build. And then here's the Rodger for a 4 horseman build that I customized. That's how it came stock out of the package. And I went a little wild with it. I love the Rodger casting, and here's what I did with that. And again, the video of that build is available in my videos as well. I love the purple on this one. So both of these are going to be available in that auction. And as many of you know, there aren't a lot of my customs out there floating around. I don't sell them, and I just never been interested in doing that. And I have given some away, but this is a chance to get one. But then the other day I was listening to Mark over at Dotsaman Diecast's podcast, and it got me to thinking. It really touched me, and got me thinking, what else could I do? Now, many of you are familiar with the Silva challenge, and what I've decided to do is, if you win one of those 2 cars, if you're the high bidder on either one and you win it, if you wish to take the Silva challenge, I'll push you to the front of the list. In other words, you'll get the challenge right away. A lot of people, as you know, are waiting a year to get there, though there are a lot of people on the list, still on the list. So if you sign up today, it's probably well over a year until you'll get it. And you only get to take it once. But if you want to do it again, this is a way to do that as well. So it's an added little kicker if you want. The high bidder on those 2 cars doesn't have to take the challenge. But if they want to, I'll be more than happy to send a box out to each of those winners and handle them just like any of the other challenges. I'll do a recap video of what you've done from the pictures you send me. And I thought that might be an added way to spice it up a little bit. Again, only if you're interested. So anyhow, everybody go to the Whatnot auction and bid high, bid often. It's for a wonderful charity. Again, there will be a link to Paco's Diecast Garage where he'll have the information in the description for this video. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.